Hello everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Princess Kitchen PH. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget follow my page at Princess Kitchen PH. Please come and join me in a day with me as sales associate in cake shop. As we all know, cake is very important in every celebration. Cakes is often served during special occasion like birthdays. It's already become a tradition in any Filipino culture to serve cakes during birthdays because cake is symbolized as there is year upcoming to your life, like additional year in your life. So basically during special occasion or during holidays, cake shop is very busy because we want to serve good cakes, quality cakes for our customer. Because cake is symbolized as a milestone of our customer, so we want to serve a special cake for them. So for today's video, I will show you what's going on in my day as a sales associate in cake shop. So first, I am just doing all my boxes for a packaging. So if ever that there's a lot of customer, it won't be hassle to us to prepare their orders. So now let's prepare our customer orders. This is just walk-in. So basically this is on the spot preparation of their order. So first thing first, let's ask what is their order, then let's prepare them and put it in the box. After that, let's work in POS. POS is a system that we use to punch the order, and now let's give the change. While we are waiting for the receipt to be ready, then let's put some stickers in our packaging to secure the product. So now let's prepare some book orders. This is from our company partnership. They order 46 red velvet cupcakes. So first I just get some red velvet cupcakes, then I put cocoa powder on top, then I put it in the box. After that, I will just put some stickers and put it in the biodegradable bags. After that, the order is ready for pickup, so we will just make some sales invoice for our customer. Since there's a lot of customer buying, so now let's refill our showcase. So now I'm having quick break time. So I have this kimchi fried rice. I have some luncheon meat and some additional kimchi. Let's eat, guys. Bon appetit! Around 4 p.m. I received some grab orders, so now let's prepare some grab orders. With grab orders, so we need to make sure that the item is secure, so we are just putting some popsicle stick just to reduce the damage during delivery. And we all make sure that we will take picture every time, just a proof in case of complaints, so we can send it to the customer to show a proof that we give the cupcakes or the order in Grab driver well secure and well managed. Now the order is now ready. Now let's work on in POS. Let's put all the order and quantity, and of course change price, and then finally click the Grab charge button. So now let's get the receipt. The first copy that will come out in POS, this will be a receipt for Grab, and the second one is our copy. Since everything is now ready, so now let's update our Grab app. So now let's just click ready to notify the driver that their order is ready for pickup. So now I received Grab order again, so now let's prepare our Grab orders. So this is the Grab order looks like. Anyway guys, this will be the end of our vlog for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please continue supporting me by like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to follow my page at Princess Kitchen page on Facebook and TikTok. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!